Hello. Astronomy picture of the day, April 17, 2023. Today's video is about ELVES lightning over Italy.
What's that red ring in the sky?
Lightning.
The most commonly seen type of lightning involves flashes of bright white light between clouds. Over the past 50 years, though, other types of upper atmospheric lightning have been confirmed, including red sprites and blue jets. Less well known and harder to photograph is a different type of upper atmospheric lightning known as ELVES. ELVES are thought to be created when an electromagnetic pulse shoots upward from charged clouds and impacts the ionosphere, causing nitrogen molecules to glow. The red ELVES ring pictured had a radius of about 350 kilometers and was captured in late March about 100 kilometers above Ancona, Italy. Years of experience and ultrafast photography were used to capture this ELVES, which lasted only about 0.001 seconds.
Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to like, comment, and share.